got the speaker out. It was glued on here pretty good.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to run your door speakers to your amp without running extra wires like through the door. So we're gonna get right into that. I don't know if I even posted the last video of me installing the speakers in the doors, but they're in there and they're running off of the factory deck. Well, not the factory deck, the aftermarket deck. So now we want this to be playing off the amp. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna record everything, but I'm gonna show y'all the key moments of what y'all need to do and how y'all need to run it. That way when you open the door, you just got the factory wires, so you ain't gonna have no wire going right here and stuff like that. Let me show y'all in the back. So I don't know if y'all can see through there, but the new speakers are in, so but it won't be no wire running to the amp. Well, not coming out this door. You ain't gonna see no wires. So it's gonna look good, guys, and let's get right to it. I gotta pull this deck out first, and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, guys, I only unplugged the stuff I needed to unplug to get this piece to come down if you're doing a Titan. So it's just the AC controls. They got these little locks on here. You swivel, you push down, swivel them back, and pull them out. So now we got 2 screws in here, Phillips. We're gonna pull this deck out, then we'll run our 2 wires for the back new speakers. So let me get the deck out, I'll turn y'all back on. So I got the deck pulled out. This is a JVC deck also, just to let y'all know. But most of the time your deck is gonna have your speaker wires right here, the locations, and this one don't. I tried to find the book on it, but I don't have it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn it on. It's been a while. I ain't been doing systems too much anymore, like not for customers and stuff, but I'm thinking it's gonna be gray and white for the rear, because right now, guys, like y'all seen, we replaced the rear door speakers. So we want to run these to the amp, so we need to find out if these 2 are going to be rear, and then that's where you're going to run your speaker wires from your amp, and then you ain't got to worry about the wires going through the doors and stuff like that. So I'm gonna turn it on. There's probably gonna be some copyright. I'll turn y'all off and I'll let y'all know which ones are gonna be rear. Alright, guys, that didn't take long at all. So I had it backwards. I'm so used to working on the front speakers. So rear is gonna be green and purple. Y'all see I got green and purple unhooked right here. So you got a ground and a hot for your purple, and ground and a hot for your green. Rear left, rear right. So this is where everybody make a mistake at. Look, these that are coming from the deck, we're gonna clip these off and tape them up. You don't need these anymore. So we're gonna run our dang, it's mosquitoes everywhere. We're gonna run our amp wires, excuse me. We're gonna run our amp wires to these factory wires, and then that's how you get your amps hooked up to your door speakers without running wires to the doors, guys. Pretty simple, pretty simple. I'm gonna show y'all after I get done. Stay tuned. Okay, we got our wires snipped and taped up. Remember, purple and green. So those are done. These are the ones we're gonna be using. So I got my wire right here. We're gonna run these. I always use the darker color for the ground. So that'll go to the one with the stripe. Both of them have a stripe, green and purple. So dark color will go to that. And then we'll run them through here, all the way through. We'll hide them. We'll run them all the way to the back, to the amp. And then we should be almost ready to hear what it sounds like. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the first one ran through. Y'all see it right here, and then it's going through here. Going all the way up under. I haven't tucked it all the way in because I want to make sure my cut is going to be right. Gotta tuck the rest of these wires in. Then it's going through here. I took this piece off. Then it's running all the way back to the amp. I kind of gave myself a little bit of wiggle room just in case. So that's one. We got to run two. So I'm gonna run the other one. Y'all see how to run that one. So it's gonna be the same thing. So I ain't gonna record that. And yeah, we'll get it going. All right, guys. Not too bad. Not too bad. We got all the wires hooked up. The wires ran. Every time I turn the camera, somebody want to drive by. But I'm gonna show y'all real quick so people don't be in the comments talking mess. I'm not gonna hide the wires on camera because it's just gonna take up too much time. I'm not gonna bore y'all with that. But you're not gonna be able to see any of these wires, and there won't be any wires going through the door. That's the whole purpose of hooking up your door speakers like this. So all I have to do now is run left and right, negative and positive, right here to the amp, and that's it. We'll turn it on for a demo if I can find my copyright free beat. But other than that, we're almost done, guys. Gosh, this is super loud, man. It came out good. I'm happy with it. I gotta get everything cleaned up in here. Don't worry about that. But man, it's super loud, guys. So yes, sir. But that's how you do it. So look, ain't no wire running through my doors. These boys is loud. Let me see if I can find my uncopyrighted beat. Let me see if I can find that real quick. That's echoing. I thought I saved it on here somewhere. I still gotta put all this stuff back together, man, but for the most part it's done. I'm trying to remember what I saved it under. I think it's under files. Let's see. Oh, I know what it's under. So y'all can really hear this thing. Photos, video, files. There we go. There we go. I found it, guys. Let's crank this boy up. Echoing, man. That boy is echoing. That's loud. Somebody gonna get mad. All right, guys, this bad boy sounded so good last night. I'm gonna go ahead and do the front So the front is still on the factory, on the factory wires with the running to the deck, and the back is running on the amp. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the 2 front ones on the amp also. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show y'all, if you are doing a Titan, you take this cover off. There's 1, 2 screws back there. You pop this up. There's a screw behind there. This piece comes off. Y'all see that right there, that shape? You take a little cover off right here, you take this one out, and then this one's hiding behind there. And then the rest, the whole door, well, I gotta still undo this one, and 1, 2, so 3 more screws. Pop this whole door panel off and then pull up, and we got access. So, but I had to turn y'all back on and let y'all know what was going on, so stay tuned. Alright, I got the door panel off, but this is what happens when you don't do research. So I bought 6.5s like the back to replace the front, and as y'all can see, they 6x9s, but no big deal. I have some 6x9s put away for a rainy day for stuff like this, so we'll just install these cheap 6x9s, but this is a budget build, so we ain't spending a whole bunch of money on this truck. We're just getting it to sound good. So anyways, I'll get this pulled out, get the 6x9s installed, and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, we got the speaker out. It was glued on here pretty good. Now y'all see this right here? You're gonna have to cut this off and then run your 6x9 direct. So we'll get this, we'll cut this, we'll put our fittings on there, we'll run it to the 6x9s, we'll get them screwed in, then we'll put this plate back on. This side will be pretty much done, guys. So, alright. Man, guys, this thing is stupid loud. So, I'm gonna put everything back together now. This is really gonna be the end of the video. But it's not too bad. Not too bad, man. So if you got a Titan or any car, I mean, just changing out the door speakers make a big difference. And then I'm gonna do a complete review on the whole budget build system in this truck. The AC is kind of loud. It's 103 degrees out here, so y'all gotta bear with me. Anyways, I'm not gonna show me doing the other door. This is gonna be the end. So, all right, guys, I'm finished. Driver side and passenger side. Kind of see it in there. I'm already done. It was too hot to be trying to film all of that. So we're gonna turn on the music, walk all the way down the street, see what we get. Let's go. Alright guys, that's all the way down the street. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. See y'all in the next one. We out. Peace.